Karbi Anglong District Administration ben Republic de Catalan Japan kachisika maiki padopon. Jakas of the Pendifu Recreation Park along get together ajay maiki padopon. KSA Jaipong Pen Salawar Branch Chingruk Pet Pen Kebasat Lang Kitong Dunjia Tumapan Free Coaching Kitching. Sirke Banglik All India Police Commando Kachipati Man Kithe Meghalaya Governor Adedeng Pen Kachipati Kangpu. Kardom Adaba Birta Long Ben Nili Urban Krupi Non Birtang Ton Pen Archek Tha Karbi Anglong District Pen Nangkileji Arkoni Phai Inkora Trok Arni Republic Day Catalan Dun Japan Kachisik Ponamai Arkoni Phai Kethom Arni Diffu Circuit House along Kipaman Pona Birta Katni Sosai Hemalong Birta Nangli Diffu Circuit House along Arkoni Phai Inkora Trok Arni Republic Day Catalan Japan Kachisik Padopon Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Kajiphan Ponamai Long Karbi Anglong ISP Keton Kilangasai Pumati OC Lapen Sai Kamasai Phuetom Chetong Dun Republic Day Arongalon Pen Catalan Dun Japan Milo Kachingwai Aklong Paledang Jakas Asong Pen Arkoni Phai Kethom Arni Diffu Recreation Park along get together ajay Mekipa do Pona Birta Pirangke Pen Katni Sasahemalong Birta Nang Pali Diffu Recreation Park along Jakas Asong Pen get together ajay Mekipa do Pon Jakas Asong along Kachirab Dun Abang Pub Atumapan Jakas a chairman Korsing Deron Peningkan Ki Mehir Jume Pajir Pon La Peningkang Sampen Kaching Hona Sim Sap Nung Ipajir Pon Karbi Students Association Jaipong Lapen Salawar Branching Rumpet Pen Kibangji Kebang Dengan Satlang Ketok Dunjari Suejang Atumapan Arkoni Phai Kethom Arni Pen Akijoy Pen Free Coaching Kethan Pon Kicheng Birta Perangke Rustom Tokbi Pen Birta Nang Palim Maipu Nogjir Hansel Pen Dihin Rembang Loren Tokbi Atum Patir Pipen Non Gibangji Kebang Dengan Satlang Along Jaipong Lapen Salawar Arat Kepapidun Hup Kecharya Nat Kang Thur Ponji Lapen Karbi Ari Suejang Atumun Et Nang Ji Pumata Pensi La So Sai Deng Ponlo Lapen Labang So Sai Long Lo Than Bang Bhim Teron Pensi Keching Si Kethan Ponjia Phan Bhim Teron Aru Deng Pensi Free Coaching Center Ingpu Ponlo Bang Solong KSA Buklia District Committee Amaipu Khonding Tibung Chetong Dun Lapen Pen An KSA Claim Bang Pu Bang Phiatum Chetong Dun Si Mesen Pen Keching Si Kejoy Pen Lo Kethan Japan Than Paritekang Keching Si Free Coaching Kipi Ponalong Bang Pharoi Si So Si Do Charlie Ari Suejang Atum Chetong Dun Namalam Sopor Phan Birta Moing Topanik Sina Turkimi Academy Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Turkimi Academy Diffu, Rukasan Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Turkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation Pen Arniwang Hemalong Akenang Sorahormu Ason Selam Pontanglo Lasinang Tum Arniwang Kenang Sot Kechuason La Pentesiri Alang Hiti Kulat Along Longpon Ikji Kang Tirtang Kijun Alang Tharwe Alang Theso Alang Kecho Ajam Tu Tharmit Aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong Akenang Sot Hormu Longpon Ikji
Dinamo Pipotal Birta Long Wang Thudom Sangtilang Sochok Hilalong Nangkileji Arkoni Phai Po Arni Rongker Karkhi Dun Japan Kachisik Ponab Gita Arkoni Phai Kethom Arni Perangke Pen Katnis Asa Hemalong Birta Nang Pali Non Kevangji Arkoni Phai Po Arni Rongker Karkhi Catalan Dun Japan Rong Sar Long King Ti Sar Thing Tia Rong Sangtilang Sochok Hila Nilip Karbi Honghari Youth Council Ari Suejang Atum Pen Japonsi Saru Sarang Arta Ong Dung Atum Pen Cheng Lok Rongker Karkhi Men Pen Rong Rup Kipakar Sai Deng Pon Bang So Sai Long pin an arong ame kartup chirap chito tulsi rongruk pangthir pon pamilu Assam Rifles pen Arkoni Phai Sirkep Arnian ke padu ponji Sirkep angdeng All India Police Commando kachepate Arkoni Phai hini arni Difukasa Stadium along sikachepate kangpo mai pi ke padu pon biota karni sa sahem along biota nangle Kachepate along inkore hinia tiran mate team nang chitong dun Assam Rifles Director General Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan pen Alhisar po Meghalaya Governor Thagagata Rayaphan ingthum RNC kachepate ajamek pakcheng pon Manpeng ke the Meghalaya Governor Lamthan Bomhut helicopter pen kisunahut mate ronahut apin potum kisunang jasai paklang Inut de the phan ra the phan kerai kom nang jaja kong angthek judo karate hai huita kangpo mai pialong paklang Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a CEM Tuliram Ronghang Hinpenta Poho la pen chorhong thorpen Manpeng ke the Meghalaya Governor phan Archudun
Kind of skill that we have seen even in this inaugural session. I am sure we will see demonstration of much better skills during the next 2 days. But the kind of skill that we have seen today, this jumping through that hoop of fire, then the commandos getting down from helicopters, extremely impressive. We wish we had it earlier so that the attacks of 26/11 or the earlier hijacking thing that could have been forestalled. But anyway, better late than never. What is being done is very, very good, and I'm sure that Assam Rifles will continue to take the lead in this entire process.
Thanks. Competition, and this is a competition which also helps each of these forces to understand each other's innovations, innovative ideas, what improvisations we do, how do we together fight, and the economy which they will develop here. When we do joint operations, at least we would have operated for some time together. That is how this competition is very, very important, and having it in Northeast is equally important because we have come down to the Northeast and the Northeast.
Ningkan ke miarong je katalonang bong Arkoni Phai isi arni trop kebra phawang deng difu club keseng arni katalon duna biota nangle Katalona ja megalong pachiton pen pherang ke bari nogen bora phandifu club pen archosi kurbang thu pachir la soprang club amai phu korean das pen lama ing thu dera phijong kachiki mung arjan ke langa sai pachun pon Adaba biota mangkila pons kang ton bariglo tumi thakmi kurbang thu